What's up, YouTube? This is Tony Albanese, the Patriarch, and today we're going to celebrate Kylie Minogue's excellent new album, Golden. It just went #1 in the UK and Australia, and it totally deserved it, so we're going to make some cupcakes in celebration of that. Now, Golden obviously can have a lot of options for being creative in the artwork and the videos and the performances. So we're going to make some cupcakes, and here I have 6 cupcakes already iced with buttercream, and I have everything else I'm going to need to make them Kylie-ized, not crystallized, but Kylie-ized, all in celebration of Golden. So the first thing I did was I took some parchment paper and I took a sugar marker, which is right there, and I got the best images I could get from the era that would look great in a cupcake. So here is actually the #1 plaque she got when I went #1, just kind of to symbolize the success of the album. Here is her shoe that's on the album cover, which will obviously be bedazzled and looking really fun. I thought it'd be great to make the hearts with the case that she's used in the artwork, in the video, in the dancing video, and in a lot of the live performances. We're going to give a special shout out to Lost Without You, because that is an excellent song. It needs to be a single, there needs to be a video, and it needs to be on tour. We're going to do the album font, and here are some background shapes for a couple of the cupcakes. And I have white chocolate and lots of other fun things. So we're going to get started now. I melted white chocolate so I can pipe it into all the shapes that I have over here. Now, if you don't know how to melt white chocolate, you can look on my YouTube channel. I have a video showing you exactly how to do it correctly. And I'm going to put them in these cornets, they're called. They're made with parchment paper. I also have a video, if you want to learn how to make these. They're perfect for piping. Now I'm filling in all of the images very neatly with some white chocolate. Once that is done, and the chocolate is hardened in the refrigerator, you're going to take its oil-based food coloring. Not water-based, but it has to be oil-based, because the oil-based works on chocolate. So I have my oil-based food coloring, and I have a nice little brush. And now I start painting all of the chocolate. Now, once you're finished getting all the oil color on, you're going to let it dry for a few minutes. And then we're going to embellish them with some nonpareils, a little more detail work, and we're going to spray some gold sugar on it. And now we're going to take our gold spray, and we're going to spray whatever needs to be gold. Now keep a little distance, because this stuff can be very strong and it'll blow the chocolate away. Now I'm putting little dabs of buttercream around where I'm going to be putting the nonpareils so they stick. So like just a tiny bit. And I'm using tweezers to put the nonpareils on each spot. And I think it's really starting to look really cool and really come together. They're looking really, really cool. I cannot wait to put them on the cupcakes and let them shine. But one final thing is we got to put a little edible glitter so we can have it raining glitter. So I'm just going to do that on a few of these, and we'll be almost done. Here are the completed cupcakes. I love them. Everything is edible. Everything was done completely by hand. They look awesome. In the right lighting, they would really shine and glitter. But I have the lights on, so you can't really see that. So congratulations again, Kylie. Hope you all liked this video. Check out my channel for lots of other cake decorating videos and baking videos. Find me on social media, all at The Pastryarch. Subscribe, like, feel free to share the video. And I'll see you next time on a night like this.